Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple single bangle very easily using a silk thread. Okay, let's start. Take a bangle, apply glue and paste a thread. I have taken here red color thread and I have taken 30 to 35 strands of thread here. Wrap it tightly all over the bangle. And now I have wrapped the thread all over the bangle. Apply glue at the end and cut the thread and paste it. Now take a red, yellow and green color thread. Each thread I have taken 30 to 35 strands. Join them together by applying glue. Now take a cardboard and place and clip at the top. Now braid this like how you braid your hair, tightly by pulling the thread. At the end, apply glue and cut at the end extra thread. And now we have braid the thread. Cut at the end and apply glue. And now take a bangle, apply glue all over the bangle at the center and paste the braided thread at the center of a bangle. Cut at the end after pasting extras, and now paste it by just pressing. Apply glue at the end and paste it. And now apply glue and paste gold color ball chain at the corner part where we pasted thread at the end. At that place now we are pasting gold color ball chain. Wrap it I have wrapped here up to 1 centimeter. Now at the end, again apply glue and wrap it so that it will not come out. Apply glue at the end and paste it at the end by pressing it tightly. Now after it got dried, a bangle looks like this. A bangle is ready now. You can also try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe, Pebbles. Thanks for watching.